I am Dr. Binu. Second topic in the IoT subject is IoT enabling technologies. It consists of wireless sensor network, cloud computing, big data analytics, communication protocol, and embedded system. Wireless sensor network is a distributed devices with sensors used to monitor the environmental as well as the physical condition. It is also a network formed by a large number of sensor nodes to detect light, heat, pressure as well as the various parameters used to monitor environmental and physical conditions. Each node in the wireless sensor network can have several sensors attached to it. Each node can act as a routers. The coordinator collects data from all the nodes. Here the coordinator is nothing but the gateway that connect wireless sensor network to the internet. Various applications of wireless sensor network includes surveillance and monitoring for security, threat detection, environmental temperature, humidity as well as air pressure measurement, identify the level of the noise in the surroundings. It also used in medical applications like patient monitoring, agricultural field, landslide detection can also one of the application of wireless sensor network in IoT. The various protocols used in the wireless sensor networks are wireless communication protocols like IEEE 802.15.4. Here, ZigBee is one of the popular wireless technology used in wireless sensor network. The applications are based on the protocol of IEEE 802.15.4, which is the speciality of which is for low power devices. The data rate is supported up to 250 kilobytes per second. It can cover the data range up to 100 meters. The second technique is cloud computing, which is the delivery of computing services, which includes servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, as well as the intelligence over the internet, which is represented as cloud here. In order to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economics of scale. The cloud computing consists of three main types. They are infrastructure as a service, which is represented by IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, software as a service. The benefits of cloud computing are it can be multi-tenant solution provided by vendor. It can backup, automated uptime, SLA maintenance, automated upgrades, web and mobile access from anywhere. Modern web-based integration can also possible using cloud computing. It should be in elastic nature, pay as you go, scale up or down feature is also one of the benefits. The cloud computing does not require you to maintain or manage it. Effectively, it can support infinite size. You can access cloud-based applications as well as services from anywhere. That is, the applications as well as services are device dependent. The third one is big data analytics. Big data analytics is nothing but the collection of data which consists of huge volume, velocity or variety. They are very large as well as difficult to store, manage as well as process, not only that, analyze the data using the traditional databases, which involves data cleansing, which is nothing but correcting the data. The unwanted data should be removed. Some data can be replaced. Next, data wrangling. Convert the data from one format to another. Third one is data processing. The final one is data visualization. In big data analytics, here the big refers to 5 V's. The various V's are, the first one is volume, second one is velocity, third one is variety, fourth one is veracity, and the last one is value. Here the variety includes different types of data, which can be a structured one, unstructured one, it may be a semi-structured one, or the combination of all the three. It should be in text, audio as well as video, that is in the form of multimedia. Second V refers to volume. The volume is nothing but the amount of data. The amount of data can be represented by means of terabyte or in the form of records. If in the banking sector means it should be represented by transactions, or it may be represented by files or tables. According to IBM, in the year of 2012, 2.5 billion gigabytes of data was generated every day. The third V is velocity, which refers to speed at which data is processed. The data processing can be done by means of batch process, or the data can be in a real-time nature, or it should be in streams. The fourth V is veracity. Some data is in the doubt or known as veracity. The data can be very difficult to accept, which is stored in the database, means it is called as veracity. This may happen due to the typical error or corrupted data or corrupted storage. Fifth V is value. It is efficient to access big data, which provides greater insights if we can perform some action to get the desired output. If it provides desired output means it will be very beneficial for the organization. Otherwise, this particular value has no use. Examples are, lot of data is being collected and warehoused in big data analytics. Some of the examples are web data, e-commerce, purchases at department or grocery stores, transaction done by means of bank as well as credit card, next social network. Next subdivision is communication protocols. Communication protocols are the backbone of the IoT systems, which allows devices to exchange data over network. In order to exchange data, we have to define the data exchange format by means of data encoding, addressing schemes, routing of packets from source to destination. It supports some of the other functions also. In order to ordering the data packets, with sequence of control is used. Control the transfer rate, flow control is used. In order to transmit the lost packet, transmission of lost packets were used. The next field is embedded system. Embedded system is nothing but it is a combination of hardware as well as software. A microcontroller based, software driven, reliable, real-time control system designed to perform a specific task means it is represented as embedded system. It can be thought as a computer hardware system having software embedded in it. Some of the examples of embedded systems are industrial robotics, GPS receivers, digital cameras, DVD players, wireless routers, set-top box, gaming consoles, photocopier, microwave ovens.